For that, Ekta. So that's on the pharmaceutical space. But over the next fortnight, you have plenty of triggers that the market will watch out for. So I thought I'll just list down some of them for you. Starting tomorrow, you'll get auto sales for the month of March. And it's not going to be a pretty picture this time around. A lot of dealer and channel checks indicate that the demand for small cars, the demand for passenger vehicles in general has fallen quite a bit. Inventory levels have risen as well. And Nomura, for example, expects Maruti sales to fall by 8% in the month of March. So it's not going to be a pretty picture. In the two-wheeler space, as we know, demand has been weak, so there's no recovery there at all. The only space where buying action will come in is medium and heavy commercial vehicles. That also because there will be a price hike from the 1st of April due to the new emission norms coming through. So that's the only pocket that may see some respite. So that's a big trigger to watch. The other trigger is the RBI meeting that happens on the 6th of April. And over there, we are expecting a 25 basis points rate hike to come through. Of course, the commentary from the Reserve Bank of India assumes a lot of importance as well. Following which, next week you have the earnings season that kickstarts with Infosys numbers coming through on the 13th of April, followed by HCL Tech on the 20th, ICICI Bank, Nestle, etc. And this time around, there's an expectation that it will be a weak quarter for the IT sector. Just to give you a couple of numbers, Jeff expects the aggregate revenue growth for IT firms to moderate sharply by 170 basis points in Q4. They will see just a 0.6% quarter-on-quarter growth. Macroeconomic headwinds leading to have led delays in deal ramp-ups, longer sales cycles, slower revenue conversion are some of the problems. But the big thing I'll watch out for is any kind of guidance for FY24. Infosys will be the first company to issue an FY24 guidance and set the tone for the new fiscal. In that context, Jefferies expects Infosys to guide for a 5 to 7% constant currency revenue growth in FY24 and a 21 to 22% EBIT. So a lot of big cues to watch out for as we head into the new fiscal.
All right. Well, thanks for that, Sonia. Well, I'll tell you what, let's slip